Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Take your time and browse through the channel, learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. And if you're joining me for the first time, or if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and these have been on uptrend for a very long time. Right from the support zone it has been buying, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, it got to this resistance and it was unable to go above it, so it's trying to go back on downtrend, but we need it to break out below this. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell for a very long time. At least it will get to this region. Okay, so this is very important. Once it breaks out below this, it will sell till it gets to this region, and once it breaks out below this, then it will sell more till it gets to this region. Okay, so this is going on downtrend. If it breaks out below it, then the trend line. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, but if it does not, it's going to spike back. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. It started a downtrend right from here, and of course the movement is not that smooth, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, it has got into this support zone. Okay, it has got into this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on buy trend. And for now this is still selling. This might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out from there. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right now. This is crash 1000. This has been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this region, was unable to go further, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. So this is buying at the moment, so we expect more of a buying opportunity from there. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. So crash 500 started an uptrend right from the support zone, and of course you can see the W shape. Okay, so it has been buying since then, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on downtrend, but once it breaks out from there, it will keep on buying. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be volatility 75. This had been on uptrend for long, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Broke out from this resistance zone. Okay, this particular resistance zone, it broke out from there, and of course it is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out from next, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you're trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, like my videos, and of course do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Kindly